Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually increase your video RAM and your FPS. If you are the type that actually like gaming on your laptop, you like to play different kind of games, or you're a graphic designer and you actually need dedicated graphics to be upgraded on your phone without any software, I'm going to be teaching you how you're going to be increasing your dedicated graphics, which is also video RAM on your laptop. Now, first, go to the File Explorer, open it. Once you open it, click on this PC, right click on it, then go to Show More Options if you are using Windows 11. But if you are using Windows 10, it will automatically take you to this place. Just click on Manage. Once you click on Manage, it's going to load this page for you. So after that, you are just going to click on Device Manager and you will go and update your display adapters. You will, if you're like this one, you can actually click on this update driver and you will click search for driver automatically. So mine is saying the best driver for your device already installed. Then don't worry about that. Cancel it. Then the next thing you want to do is to check the video RAM you have currently on your laptop. By doing this, you can just go to display settings. Once you right click on your desktop, you go to display settings, then you go to uh, advanced display settings, then you go to display adapter property. Once you click on this, mine is actually showing 512. It was 128 before, but after doing this simple trick, it actually increased to 512. So if you want the same thing on your laptop, follow this video and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this video and share this video with your friends who are interested in increasing their video RAMs. Um, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more interesting videos on how to use your laptop effectively like this. Thank you so much for that. Now let's go on. Once you do that, you click on OK and you cancel it. Now let's start. What you're going to be needing is you to just click on this search button uh, on your Windows, or you press Windows R on your keyboard, which is going to show something like this. Then write Regedit. Just click Regedit. Type Regedit. Click OK. Then you click Yes. So after you click Yes, the next thing for you to do is to click on this H key local machine. Once you click on H key local machine, you click on software. Once you click on software, then you locate where you can actually find Intel. You click on Intel. Then where you click that Intel, you are going to select this by typing new. Once you click on it, you type new, you click on key and you write GMM. You write GMM. I've already done that before. I won't be able to do it again. So you write GMM. I'm actually deleting this because I've actually done it before. This is my own. So once you click on GMM, it is going to load something like this for you. And you just click on new. Then you click on key. Sorry about that. No, that's not how you're going to do it. Sorry about that. So once you click on that, you just have to click on modify. Sorry, you won't be able to click on that modify. You just click on new. You click on new, then you click on DWord 32 bits. That's what you click on. Once you click on DWord 32 bits, I've actually done that before, so don't mind me. I'm going to delete it. So after clicking on that, you are going to write uh this dedicated segment size. The way I write it actually here is how you are going to write it. D capital letter for starting the dedicated, and you won't put space. You put segment. The S will be there, capital letter, and size too will also be capital letter. Then you click OK. Once you rename, once you change this name, then the next thing for you to do is now to do click on this dedicated segment size. Then you click on modify. So now me, I'm actually using 2048, which is 2048, because I'm using 16 gig RAM. If you are using, if you know your the laptop RAM of your own is if you are using 2 gig RAM on your laptop, what you're going to click on is you're going to type 256. But if you are using 4 gig RAM, you are going to type 512 on it. And if you are using 8 gig RAM, you are going to type 1024. But if you are using 16 gig, you are going to type 2048. Like that. I think you understand. So then you click OK. The next thing for you now is to restart your laptop. So after you restart your laptop, then you now go back to display settings, and you now go back to display settings. After going back to display settings, you advance display, then you click on display properties for display adapter properties for display one. Then you see that these are actually increased to 512. If you like what I've actually done in this video for you, you can actually click the subscribe button, like, share, and comment my video or my videos. Thank you very much, and see you in another video.